Hello guys, welcome to Style by Mike Fashion YouTube page once again. My name is Designer Michael Fane and I'm so elated to have you here once again. So today I want to teach you guys how to achieve this V-neck without any sewing outside. You can see that it has no sewing on the outside. That's what I want to teach you how to do. And this is the same thing that this guy is putting on. And please, before we go into the video, I am aware that almost 90% of you watching this are new to my channel. So please, I would like you to just take our time to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and just help me do a little thing. Let me know where you're watching from. Just drop it in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from and let me know also if you have subscribed. Just comment and say I have subscribed from USA, from Nigeria, from Ghana, from India. I want to know where you are watching this from. So just subscribe and like this video so that the algorithm will be able to recommend it to other people who also need it. So after doing that, you can go on and learn. Thank you once again. Now I'll let you to learn what you're supposed to learn. Yeah, so I believe that you can see that I'm just sketching out the top, which is the normal way of doing it. This is actually a dashiki top, so I'm going to cut it with the sleeve attached to it. I'm going to cut it with the sleeve attached to it. Now that is the chest, which is about 44 inches. So because it is a dashiki, we're going to add about 1/4 inch because it has to be free. It has to be free and easy. So you just sketch the shape out. Now that will be the sleeve extension. We're not going to have any separate sleeve for this because it is a dashiki. Now I'm just showing you that at the top side we're going to slant it by 3 inches. It's just a normal procedure for cutting a kaftan dress. So now you're just going to go ahead and cut the shoulder. So you also just cut the down, as you can see me doing here. Although this is not the purpose of this video, so I think I should just fast forward this to the main purpose of this video. I hope that's fine. If you agree, say yes. So I hope you can also see that I arrived at 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back. Now, this is how to achieve that V-neck. I had already cut this, but I'm going to explain to you the dimensions. Look at that depth. That depth is 8 inches. The depth of the V-neck was at 8 inches. And then just slant it at an angle. If you fold that into 2, you can measure about 2 inches from the middle. And then you cut it. I hope you understand. You see how this fabric is folded into 2 like this. assume that I had not cut that v-neck yet. So from that top, you're going to measure 2 inches and then measure 8 inches downwards, and then you cut it slanting all the way to that 2 inches. Now this is how to cut the facing. We'll call it the facing that we're going to be using inside, that we're going to be using on that neck, in order to achieve that invisible appearance. So just mark about 2.5 inches or 3 inches. So you just cut this thing out along the line of that v-neck. So after cutting that, look at what I've achieved. This is what I've achieved after cutting. You fold your fabric in the same manner and place it like so. After cutting it, this is the results. Now the next thing you would do is to apply the paper gum or hairstay. For this video I used hairstay to apply both on this piece and then on the main bodies. So now this is hairstay application. I really hope that you're observing closely what I'm doing here. You see that I cut that hairstay of, say, width of 1 inch, and I'm applying it along the line of the v-neck on the bodies to make my stitching smooth. So now we are at the sewing machine. This is how simple this is. You are going to place the bodies as seen. It is facing up. The side that has the hairstay is facing down, and then that V that will cut the face is also facing the face of the bodies. So you place them face to face. You can see that the side that has the gum is facing upwards. So after doing that, you're going to stitch. Make sure your machine is set to a tight stitch. Don't use a loose stitch so that the neck will not fall off easily. So for me, this is what I like to do. You see those labels on the sewing machine? I use them to guide me. Now that is where my fabric is going to stop, at the 1 mark. 1. The mouth of my fabric is going to stop right on that line. So I use that as a guide to maintain the equal distance all along the length of what I'm stitching. So you just stitch that. You can see that it's going on very well. You stitch that all the way to that place, leaving this equal distance. So you turn that this way and then stitch it back upwards. Yeah, so now we're back at the table. So now you're going to notch at that V. Be careful not to extend beyond your stitches. Notch at that V, because that's what is going to make it to turn inside easily and to give you a smooth result. So you just turn that inside out. Turn that inside out. You can see what I'm doing. That's how you turn it. Hope you can see that. So when you turn that, the next thing for you is to iron it. Use your steam iron and press it down. If you don't have a steam iron, you spray water and you press it down. Now, while pressing it, you must make sure that the fabric that is underneath show above doesn't show above the neck. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This fabric that was added, this V that was added beneath must stay beneath, right on the edges. It must stay beneath on the edges. Don't allow the one beneath to show up, so that your result will look perfect. So because I don't have a steam iron, I see me sprinkling water to iron it. Make sure you concentrate at that joint. Give it a thorough ironing. It should be flat and smooth. That's the only thing that will make you to get the required results. So give it a good ironing. So you can see that the result is already coming out. You turn this to the front side and you also give it a good ironing. You have to concentrate right at the V joint, at the confluence, at the V joint. You have to concentrate here. Make sure that place is smooth and iron it out very nicely so that your result will be perfect. You can see that the fabric beneath has no chance. I didn't give it any chance to pop up from below. And that is what brings out the beauty of this. Because when you look at it from afar, you wouldn't imagine that there's a fabric that was turned inside. Now, after giving the ironing to lap the way you want, you're going to open that back up and place the hemming gum underneath it. After placing the hemming gum, you make sure you give it a thorough ironing. I hope you can also see that I weaved that V-neck. I weaved that facing that we used to apply on that V. So apply hemming gum and iron thoroughly. So you can see that after ironing that, everything is perfect. So you just trim out the excesses as you've seen me doing. So now this is the result of that V that we constructed. You see, it is very neat and clean. Now what is next is for you to just take that and apply on the back piece of your dress and sew it just the normal way you make every other kaftan. So it's just the normal way you make every other kaftan. After doing that, you will see that you've achieved a very good results. If you followed this video step by step, you would have learnt a new way of making V neck. So guys, if you've come this far, please subscribe and let me know if you're subscribed. Also tell me where you're watching from. And please just hit the like button. It helps my channel to grow. Hit the like button. It helps my channel to grow. So this is just me trying to round up that job, but I want to believe strongly that you know how to sew a kaftan dress. So you're just going to do the same procedure with that neck, and then you're done. So for the V-neck, I think that is it for now. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Also please, you guys should let me know if there are any specific things you would like for me to make a video about. You let me know in the comment section. Drop in the comments. Say this is where your confusion is, and I'm going to make you a video. Because the truth is I'm running out of ideas of what to make for you guys. So let me know where you're confused. Let me know what you need to learn so that I can make you a video. Drop it down in the comment sections. Thank you. Ciao. Catch you in the next video.